Hello and welcome to the second part of this car modifications series, and in this series we will just give it a good clean and change the start stop button to a custom one. Custom, I mean not the factory one. It's basically a glass button that you've probably seen on my other E90. So let's get into it. Interior is dirty, properly dirty, as you can see. Some chips and dust all over the place. This is sticky. I think there's something like oil. And then change this button since it's a bit worn, and I would like to have a proper new looking one in here. Okay, so now that I have at least a bit of cleaning done on the interior, I would like to install the new start stop button. This is the new ring. I just painted it with spray paint in gloss black. This is the button. It's the same one as the original one, and that's the glass button itself. This is how it looks. To install it, you need to find the top bit, which is here, and match it with the top bit in here. That's it. You hear the clicking sound, that means it's in place. And then we put the ring on top. Again, there's a marker for the top. Find the top here, apply. Okay, so the start stop button is in place, and now we just need to swap it over with this one. Okay. So the original one and then the new one. Okay, so we do have our new start stop button in place, looking pretty nice with the rest of the interior. Also gave it some cleaning. Obviously need a new carpet since those are pretty much rubbish. I'll throw those away and get some new ones. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you're waiting for the new content on 330xi, let me know in the comments. Hit that like button and that will keep me motivated and posting to you sooner. Have a good one. Peace out.